Welcome to the Wood Environment and Infrastructure Solutions HSE Coordinator Orientation. Thank you for taking on this critical role in our organization. The purpose of this training is to provide an overview of HSE with tools to aid in your success. Please reach out to your HSE manager for all questions or concerns you have. Before we begin, here are some important links. Please take a screenshot and consider adding them as favorites in your web browser. Overall Wood homepage. Wood Health Safety Security Environment and Assurance homepage. Environment and Infrastructure Solutions homepage. Environment and Infrastructure Solutions Health Safety and Environment homepage. New Employee Safety Orientation. For questions about this site or the HSE program, please contact Vladimir Ivansky, Senior Vice President of HSE. First, let's explore the key links on the right side of the HSE site. After selecting the People and Structure link, the following Who's Who and Structure chart is available. Next, let's select the Global HSE link under the key links. Welcome to the HSE homepage. Our Wood values are the foundation of our beliefs and the basis for our decision making. Our expectation is simple, that wherever we work, we operate with integrity, our people are secure, injury-free, and we have a minimal impact on the environment. Our HSE strategy is designed to help us on our journey towards HSE excellence. We plan for success through understanding and managing our risks, continuous inspiring leadership who engage with our work teams, and the systematic implementation of effective HSE systems and practices. The Wood HSE Management System Standard and supporting guidance and tools provides a framework for how we must lead, plan and organize ourselves as a business to ensure HSE risks are controlled and to deliver continuous improvement in our HSE performance. It does this by providing structure and consistency in the way we manage HSE, focusing our attention on risk management, ensuring compliance and undertaking assurance activities, supporting the development of a positive HSE and learning culture which in turn supports the management system, providing a framework for continuous improvement. Next, let's select the Safety Shield link below the key links. What is Safety Shield? Our Safety Shield, a metaphor for protection, pulls together our HSE processes and procedures to drive a simplistic and consistent message to our workforce around HSE. Aligned with our values, the three elements of the shield are: prepare, engage, intervene. Next, let's select the Communications HSE link below the key links. The Communications page has newsletters, webinar materials, and contact information where feedback can be provided. Next, let's select the Cares and Heart link below the key links. Cares is where HSE enters incidents. The Heart program is where employees can add observations of 4 types: unsafe condition, unsafe act, safe condition, and safe act. Next, let's select the Keyword Documents link below the key links. The Keyword Documents page has standards, policies, assessment tools, and a welcome booklet. Next, let's select the Blue Book link below the key link that takes you to our Blue Book HSE Management System Standard. The Wood Blue Book provides clear direction on how we must plan and organize ourselves as a business to ensure HSE risks are controlled and to deliver continuous improvement in our HSE performance. Next, let's select the life-saving rules link below the key links. Wood has adopted the International Association of Oil and Gas Producers simplified set of life-saving rules to provide workers in our global business with the actions to take to protect themselves and their colleagues from hazards in critical risk areas. The life savings rules are: bypassing safety controls, confined space, driving, energy isolation, hot work, line of fire, safe mechanical lifting, work authorization and working at height. Next is the shared learning link below the key links. This is where Wood incident learnings are posted so they can be shared with others to prevent future incidents. Our shared learning sites allows everyone across the group to access a wide range of HSE information and learning from incidents. There are several areas to which you can contribute. HSE questions: do you have a problem that you cannot solve or an issue that you are uncertain about? Post a question on HSE Yammer site and see if the worldwide community of HSE professionals can help. Safety alerts: have you had an incident that others can learn from to prevent it happening again, or has a client or someone else passed similar information on to you? Lessons learned: have you done something differently that has proved successful? Have you done something wrong that others should avoid doing? Let everybody know so they too can learn. Safety moments and IRP, an opportunity to share safety moments for others. Next, let's select the Safety Essentials link below the key links. The Safety Essentials are designed to give us a common set of shared behaviors that complement our life-saving rules. They apply to all we do, whether you are based in an office or on site. Next, let's select the HSE training link below the key links. Welcome to the Wood HSE Functional Training SharePoint site. This site will hold HSE training materials that are designed to support the Blue Book, HSE standards and processes, and our functional HSE training strategy. The word training for the purpose of this site means the imparting of skills and knowledge to help a person work competently and safely. Training in itself does not make a person competent, but it will help a person progress on their journey to competence. Next, let's select the Stand Up for Safety link below the key links. Safety is what we care about most, and being safe means caring for yourself and showing care for your colleagues. Our Stand Up for Safety campaign brings us together as a team of 55,000 colleagues with one shared goal: to keep safety at the heart of every conversation we have. Let's collectively have the courage to care. We've analyzed our HSE data, and throughout 2018 we are focusing on common key safety challenges we collectively face as a global business: dropped objects, driving, working at height, and process safety. Next, let's select the Group Management System link below the key links. It's very important to select your business unit management system link, as procedures and policies from one business unit may vary and are not applicable to another business unit. Ours is the Environment and Infrastructure Solutions. Next, let's select the Global Security link below the key links. The Global Security site provides contacts for each business unit security director, notifications, and updates to the security program. Next, we are going to review the 9 icons on the main HSE page. We'll review the HSE Coordinator Guide icon last. First, let's select the Incident and Observation icon. The following incident reporting procedures are critical to ensure we properly manage an incident if it occurs. There are 2 ways to review the incident reporting information: visual and detailed. The incident reporting chart provides a visual view while the detailed follows after it. At the end of the detailed incident reporting information are links to the incident reporting forms. Let's open and then review the incident reporting chart. When an incident occurs, if an emergency, dial 911. Otherwise, contact the supervisor, HSE coordinator, and work care. Within 1 hour, make verbal contact with a member of the HSE department. High potential near misses, unsafe work refusals, workplace violence, harassment, and security incidents, subcontractor incidents, regulatory inspections, spills, and property damage should be reported immediately to a member of the HSE department. Supervisors are responsible for drug and alcohol testing coordination per client and wood requirements, local and client notifications, and completing initial incident analysis report within 24 hours. Next, let's select the monthly safety topics icon. HSE coordinators must review the current month safety gram and relay pertinent information to their local staff. The monthly topics are mandatory and must be presented each month. Please reach out to your HSE manager for permission before you modify or substitute another topic. Sometimes we have client, regulatory, and wood requirements which must be presented to all staff, regardless of how applicable the topics are to the local employees. Last, HSE coordinators must review any safety flashes and share applicable ones with their local employees. Next, let's select the Policies and Procedures icon. Next, let's select the Policies and Procedures icon. This site links to our Policies and Procedures and SharePoint sites. The first bullet provides a document with all the Wood HSE policies and procedures links. Next, let's select the Training icon. The goal of the training program is to teach employees to recognize, evaluate and control or avoid occupational hazards. Training can be of 3 types: leadership, management, and technical. This training site provides a list of required training for employees. Next, let's select the Emergency Preparedness icon. Being prepared and knowing the correct actions to take are key in emergency preparedness. This page helps to navigate through our emergency preparedness and action program and discusses the various levels of emergency response plans and teams within the company. Local emergencies can be elevated to the Group Emergency Management Team, the Environment and Infrastructure Solutions Wide Incident Management Team or the Wood Crisis Management Team, if required, depending on if an event is an emergency, incident or crisis and the level of resources required. New HSE coordinators should find the emergency action plan for their location on this site, review and update with their contact information, and ensure it is printed and/or stored on the local server. Next, let's select the Project and Facility Safety Resources icon. This page contains information on the following HSE management resources: Universal Safety Resources, Office, CMT Laboratory, and Project. Often used project resources include the Client Requirements Library, AHA's Library, and HASP Templates Library. Next, let's select the Fleet Management icon. The Fleet Management and Driving Safety site provides and adjusts key performance indicators to improve driving safety. In addition, the site also provides Operation of Company Vehicles Procedure, Journey Management Plan Form, Stand Up for Safety, Driving and Fleet Management SharePoint site. Next, let's select the Safety Performance icon. The Safety Performance site provides information on current and past performance. In addition, the Frequently Asked Questions link can be used to complete client safety questionnaires and provide language for proposals. Next, let's select the HSE Coordinator Guide icon. HSE coordinators are Wood Environment and Infrastructure Solutions employees who volunteer or are appointed by managers to promote and implement the HSE management program at offices, labs, and projects. Minimum qualifications of HSE coordinators are listed in Integrated HSE Manual. HSE coordinators are responsible for understanding and promoting Wood PLC and Environment and Infrastructure Solutions HSE management initiatives and programs such as Safety Shield, Stand Up for Safety, Blue Book, cart, and integrated HSE manual while maintaining records and online reporting. Maintaining safety posters and HSE bulletin boards. Incident reports. HSE training coordinating, data entry. Submitting monthly HSE coordinator report by the fourth day after the previous month. Monthly safety meeting documentation. Safety audits including the annual self-audit. Monthly safety inspections for the office, lab and field projects. Committee minutes. Coordinating. New employee safety orientation, with HR or project managers. Visitor safety orientation, with front desk administrative assistant. Medical surveillance, USA, with work care. Incident and observation reporting, investigating, and recommendation closure with project managers, supervisors. Monthly office safety meeting. Safety committee meetings. Monthly safety inspection of office, labs and field. PPE selection/purchasing/maintenance, with HSE professionals. Chemical inventory, SDS list maintaining. Project task preparation and review. Annual HSE self-audits for offices and laboratories and closure of recommended actions. Updates to location training plan matrix. Annual testing of the local emergency action plan, for example, annual fire drill. Participating in periodic assurance audits conducted by Wood. HSE group manager calls. Driver coaching. Now, let's select the HSE training coordinating and data entry link. Log into the training database using your first name. Last name as the username. Use your 6-digit employee identification number for the password. It can be found on your pay stub or by contacting people and organization. On the Training System Administrative menu, select Add New Record. You can use the keyboard keys Ctrl+F and type in New Employee Safety Orientation, as this will likely be the most often entered training record. On the far right column, click on New. On the drop-down menu, please select the employee who was trained from the list. Note that it sometimes takes 3 to 5 days for employees to show up after their start date. Next, please enter the date the employee was trained. Second, click the Browse button and find the employee training record or proof they successfully completed the course. Third, click on the Create Record to submit the record into the database. Here is an example of training records for new employee safety orientation. On the far right column, note the training documentation is linked here. Next, we will review how to enter the monthly HSE Coordinator report. On the HSE Coordinator Guide site, please select the link at the top of the page. On the Safety Coordinator Monthly Status Report, please select your name and the unit you are entering the report for. Next, provide the year and month for when the inspections, monthly safety meetings, and activities are being reported on. For instance, if you are entering a report on August 4, 2019 for the previous month, you would enter July 2019. Select whether a safety committee and monthly office and lab safety meeting occurred and whether minutes were filed locally. You will upload a record of the meetings on the next page after the report is submitted. Enter the monthly safety topic and who delivered the training. In some cases, this will be the HSE coordinator, and in other cases, someone more experienced may present the training. Also, in many operations, the local manager presents the training. If you cover other safety topics, please enter them. If other safety training has occurred, such as fire extinguisher training, please note that here. If employees had medical surveillance exams, please indicate it here. You can select that it was filed locally, but you should not upload the documentation to this monthly status report. The number of office and lab and project inspections should be documented. Please upload the actual inspection documentation after submittal of the monthly status report. If you updated, removed, or added posters, please select Yes. All incidents should be documented on here. However, Please do not use this as a means to inform your HSE group manager. Always follow our incident reporting requirements and report to them within 60 minutes or less. We are no longer tracking subcontractor hours, to please ignore this request. Please provide any requests or complaints and provide comments and suggestions for continuous improvement of our program. When done, click on the Submit icon. On the drop-down menu, please select the type of report. The most common reports are the Safety Committee meeting minutes, signed record of safety meeting, and office and project safety inspections. Select Other if none apply. Please do not upload incident reports, medical monitoring, drug and alcohol results, or any other employee-sensitive or confidential data here. Next, please describe the document in the space provided. Second, click the Browse button and find the file to upload which provides documentation. Third, click on the Upload icon to submit the record as part of the monthly report. Thank you again for taking on this important role. Please complete the orientation assessment next.